and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making anniversary Madeira cake. I have just baked 2 plain vanilla Madeira cakes. I've left them to cool and one of them I have taken the top off. For the full recipe you can either go and check out my video or I will have the list of the ingredients in the description down below. I'm now going to take my raspberry jam and spread it over the middle layer of my cake. I'm now going to place our other cake on the top. I'm now going to cover my cake thinly with the rest of the jam. I'm going to take my ready rolled icing and place it over the top and tidy it up. I'm going to use a little knife to cut away the excess icing and use it to tidy up any areas that I have missed with icing. I have kneaded together my modelling paste and icing. I am now going to add a bit more icing sugar onto my bowl. And I'm going to roll my icing out very thinly. I'm now going to use my rose petal cutter and cut out my rose shapes. Now that I have cut them out, I'm going to turn them over and wipe a little bit of water across the back. Fold it in half. And then roll it up tightly. And when you get to the end, add some water to stick it together. Now I'm going to take my silver glitter paste and paint them lightly over the top. I'm now going to take my roses and create a flower on one side of my cake. I'm going to take the water that we had and lay it over the bottom of the rose. And place it on the cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.